Hello everyone, Bill here again. I'm doing something, I'm going to be advertising another product here on my channel here. And I want to officially endorse Flex Tape. Now, one of the things I have used this product, and I've actually am very pleased with this product, and that is why I'm making this video. This is what happened. Back in August of 2018, a terrible storm had blown through where I live. And in my house, I have quite a number of very mature trees surrounding my home. And unfortunately, a tree branch came through a section of my roof, which is flat, and actually water was pouring into my house during the rainstorm and just totally ruined a room of mine. I had to throw away quite a bit of stuff. Quite a number of stuff was actually ruined due to the rain. Well, I managed to just basically stuff the hole during the rainstorm. It just had to wait it out, unfortunately. And what I'd done is that I was really just trying to think of a way to, obviously plug the hole, and things like this. Well, of course, as everyone, if you live in the United States, one of the things is that you will see this infomercial, you will see the 1-minute commercial, you will see the 3-minute commercial for the Flex Tape product. Well, of course, I've seen it on the shelf for however long the product's been out now. And I was just remember seeing the scene in my, remembering the commercial in my head where they actually show, they take a piece of flex tape and they plug up a hole in a roof and, it's supposed to fix the problem. Okay, well, what I did was I went to Walmart, my Walmart here in the town where I live, and of course they have all the flex tape products all on one shelf. It was on an end cap. And I was looking at this and I'm like, okay, there's the glue, there's this, there's that. And the thing is that I went with deliberately the tape because, again, remembering the video, and what it is that I didn't want anything to dry. I just wanted to stick it up there, plug the hole, and be done with it. Well, what I did was I bought a large tarp to go over the section of my roof. And then what I also did was I actually took a piece of semi-hard, flexible plastic. And what I did was I just simply, like if this was the plastic, what I did was I put the flex tape around the edge of the plastic over the hole and then like that. Well, what it is of course, it stuck immediately, which was fantastic. But the concept was with the tarp was to keep the water out. Unfortunately, because the way my roof is designed and the way the flat roof is designed, and yes, I tried to seal it out as much as possible, unfortunately, the water still got underneath the tarp and still went over to the hole. But the flex tape did manage to keep out the water as though the problem was completely fixed, and I was able to both dry out my room, clean up my room, and then of course until the construction crew came and fixed my roof completely. It held up quite well. So again, I am officially endorsing the flex tape. Now I should add this in before I was doing this video, I did a little research on YouTube, and yes, there were a few people that kind of debunked it, go like, no, it doesn't hold up with the boat did leak, that sort of thing. Well, the thing is, first of all, I mean, that is just a showsman gimmick, which even if you pay attention to that video clip, they have this really wide piece of flex tape, the product. They specially designed it and that sort of thing. Well, of course, the tape doesn't actually come that way. As I showed already, this tape, this is actually the roll. This is actually 4 inches long right here. And the thing is that when you buy a roll of this tape, it only comes in 15 feet length. So if you wanted to use this product, you want to use it, you really have to apply the carpenter's rule. Measure twice, cut once, because this stuff is expensive. This was $12. Again, it was only 15 feet. Okay, and the thing is, once you lay it down, it's down. You are not going to peel it up and re-put it down again like duct tape or any kind of like masking tape. It's there. So the thing is that it will hold up underwater. Like I said, I checked the hole in my roof several times before the construction crew came. It was underwater, but again, my patch job with the hard plastic, with the flex tape, it held up. So again, I'm coming out as an official endorsement of flex tape. It's a great product. No, I don't recommend you put it on a boat. Okay, that's just, for drama. Okay, but if you want to make repairs, if you actually want to have something that just sticks and stays and is durable for long term, flex tape is the way to go. So please check out all my videos here on my channel. Please check out all the links down below, and thank you all, and see you all next time.